Hello everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to learn how to write a caregiver job application letter, step by step, in a professional and easy-to-follow way. A caregiver job application letter is a formal letter written to apply for a caregiving position at a home care agency or with a private organization. This letter introduces you as a caregiver, explains your motivation for the role, highlights relevant caregiving skills, and shows your personal qualities such as compassion, patience, reliability, and respect. Because caregiving is a deeply personal and trust-based job, this letter needs to sound sincere, respectful, and reassuring while still remaining professional. Now let's go through the letter from top to bottom, and especially focus on the main paragraphs, where I'll explain what to write, why it's important, and share helpful tips so you know exactly what to include when writing your own caregiver application letter. Applicants' contact information. We begin with your contact information at the top of the letter. This section includes your full name, address, phone number, and email address. Its purpose is simple but very important. It allows the employer to easily identify you and contact you. Here's how it appears in the sample letter, and notice how clean and professional it looks. Anthony Walker, 5638 Maple Ridge Court, Columbus, Ohio, 43229. Phone, 614-555-8069. Email, anthony.walker@email.com. Date. Next, we include the date. The date shows when the letter was written and helps employers organize applications, especially in care facilities where hiring may be ongoing. In this letter, the date is written as March 22nd, 2026. Employer's information. After the date, we include the employer's information. This shows respect and attention to detail and confirms that the letter is written specifically for this organization. Here's the sample employer information. Hiring manager. Comfort Hands Home Care, 2140 North High Street, Columbus, Ohio, 43201. Subject line. Now let's look at the subject line. The subject line clearly tells the employer why you are writing and what position you are applying for. Here is the subject line used in the letter, and we keep it short and clear. Subject: application for caregiver position. Salutation. Next comes the salutation, which is your greeting. If you don't know the hiring manager's name, "Dear Hiring Manager" is professional and appropriate. Always include a comma at the end. First paragraph. Introduction, purpose, and compassion. Now let's move into the first main paragraph, and this is where we start adding more depth. In this paragraph, you clearly state the position you are applying for and explain why you are drawn to caregiving. This paragraph is extremely important because it sets the emotional tone of the letter. Employers want to feel that you genuinely care about people, not just the job itself. A strong tip here is to highlight qualities like compassion, patience, and commitment. These words immediately tell the employer that you understand the heart of caregiving. Here's the full sample paragraph. I am writing to apply for the caregiver position at Comfort Hands Home Care. I am drawn to this role because I am compassionate, patient, and committed to providing respectful and dependable care to individuals who need daily support. This paragraph works well because it is sincere, focused, and emotionally appropriate without being too long. Second paragraph. Caregiving skills and responsibilities. Now we move to the second paragraph, which focuses on practical caregiving skills and responsibilities, and this is one of the most important parts of the letter. In this paragraph, you explain what you can do as a caregiver, such as assisting with personal care, mobility, meals, and safety. This reassures the employer that you understand the daily responsibilities of caregiving. A helpful tip here is to balance technical caregiving tasks with emotional awareness. Care is not only physical, it is also emotional. Here's the full sample paragraph. I have experience assisting clients with personal care tasks such as bathing, dressing, meal preparation, and mobility support. I also understand the importance of maintaining a safe environment, following care plans, and offering emotional support to help clients feel comfortable and valued in their own homes. This paragraph is strong because it shows both skill and empathy, which is exactly what employers look for in caregivers. Third paragraph: personal qualities, trust, and communication. Next is the third paragraph, where you highlight your personal qualities and professionalism. Caregivers often work independently and inside clients' homes, so employers must trust you completely. This paragraph shows that you are reliable, respectful, and communicative. A good tip here is to mention privacy, dignity, and communication, because these are critical values in caregiving roles. Here's the full sample paragraph. I am reliable, attentive, and able to work independently while maintaining clear communication with families and supervisors. I take pride in being punctual, trustworthy, and respectful of clients' privacy and dignity. I believe these qualities would allow me to contribute positively to your caregiving team. This paragraph works because it connects personal character directly to professional caregiving standards. Fourth paragraph: closing and interview request. Now we move to the closing paragraph, and we expand it slightly to strengthen the ending. This paragraph thanks the employer and politely expresses interest in moving forward. It should always sound respectful, appreciative, and confident. A helpful tip is to always thank the employer for their time, as caregiving agencies receive many applications. Here's the full sample paragraph. Thank you for taking the time to review my application. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my skills and dedication can support Comfort Hands Home Care. I'm available for an interview at your convenience. Sign off and signature. Now we end the letter with a professional sign-off. Use a simple and respectful closing like sincerely, followed by your name. Here's how it appears. Sincerely, Anthony Walker. Before we wrap up, here are some overall tips for writing a strong caregiver job application letter. Keep your tone calm, sincere, and professional. Focus on compassion, reliability, and respect just as much as skills and experience. Avoid exaggeration and always be honest about what you can offer. Proofread your letter carefully, keep it well organized, and personalize it for each care organization you apply to. Remember, caregivers are trusted with people's well-being, and your letter should reflect that responsibility. Be confident in your dedication to helping others. And that's it. That's how you write a caregiver job application letter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more clear and practical writing guides. Thank you so much for watching Writing Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.